How can you create a fragile, sensitive piano sound? Today I'll show you 3 simple steps, and the third step will completely change the way you improvise. Let's break it down. Why do some chords immediately sound softer and more emotional than others? The problem is that most of us always start with the root of the chord. That gives stability, but stability isn't always what we want. If you are looking for a fragile, sensitive sound, try removing the root completely. For an A minor chord, don't play the A. Replace it with the ninth, the note B. Do the same for the other chords. On D minor, replace D with the E, the 9. On G major, replace G with the A, the 9. On C major, replace C with the D. Now something beautiful happens. Play these rootless chords with your left hand, and while your right hand is playing the normal triads at the same time. The sound suddenly becomes much more modern, more open, and much more emotional. Now, let's take it one step further. Keep the rootless chords in your left hand, but instead of block chords in your right hand, play a simple melody using chord tones. You will notice that the harmony suddenly feels like it's breathing. You will find more building blocks like this in my free improvisation guide with the link below. Now, let's make it sound even more fragile. Many people think emotional improvisation comes from playing more notes. In reality, very often it's exactly the opposite. So, repeat a tiny musical idea. We play our chord progression, a rootless, and play a simple right-hand pattern. That's it. The repetition creates space. It creates tension without becoming dramatic. But what's the real lesson here? Very important for your improvisation. You can only use the musical building blocks you have already learned and practiced. Every new chord, every new rhythm, and every new accompaniment pattern becomes another tool you can use freely later. So, here's a simple exercise. Practice these rootless chords with the added 9 in root position, first inversion, and second inversion. So, this is the root position of A minor, first inversion, and second inversion. Now play rootless with a 9. Same for D minor, rootless chord, first inversion, second inversion. G, root position, first inversion, second inversion. C major, root position, first inversion, second inversion. Let's add some right hand pattern, and let's play arpeggios in our left hand. D minor, and that's exactly how great improvisers build freedom. Have you ever tried rootless chords before? Let me know in the comments. But very important, if you are wondering how to turn building blocks like these into your own musical ideas, watch this next video. I'll show you a simple method for developing your own emotional improvisations from just one small musical idea.